Yeah, my viewers, yeah, my subscribers, big up on yourself and you don't know the thing on your link production there, people. They are easy back in the people, you don't know. You see me? Saying that the day, people, because I have to go up on the training, John, I'm not even feel 100 people, you see me? I have to miss all my training today. Wake up with a big headache and thing, you see me? But up already now, give God for thanks to life, feel better now and the strength, you see me? Yeah, people. People come for talk about that thing, yeah. Again, you see me? We have to talk about the reality thing, them, I don't know new link production, go. I just have a thing to say before we jump on that thing, people. You see, anybody, Zane? Alright, we know we have a lot of old subscribers, a lot of fans, a lot of viewers who did it before who know New Link and who know New Link production. And you know what New Link production is all about. We come to talk realistic thing, we come to talk about entertainment, we come to talk about everything that happen. You see me? Sometimes we're going over the world, sometimes we're there, but most of we're there Jamaica, you see me? And everybody don't know the thing go. Zane? So when some people are going to come for my video, right? When I talk about a thing, I talk about one topic. I'm going to talk about my topic. I could have spent 20 minutes or 30 minutes and my viewers and my subscribers them who know the realistic thing, them not a problem. So when some people are going to jump on my video and come on and say, yo, you talk too much. You just get to the point. Get to the point. Me tell you something what I'm done. How that sound now? Alright, me come and say, yo, a man they done this so. Okay, they shot him and kill him. I'm gone. How you feel for me just come and get to the point there so? Eh? Think within the brains, man. Think like you have sense like you a human. See? Let's get realistic. Everybody don't know, so I want things better, and we have to talk about better. This is my channel. I'm tell you, I control it. You see me, we know we have a lot of people who fighting and who want to get it stop and everything, but I jar the man. You see me? Alright, here now viewers and subscribers. This thing I'm talk about now. The lady with them catch over Barbados. You know, a Jamaican lady with them catch a Barbados airport, Zane, with ganja in her pum pum. You see me? Or vagina. You see me? Catch her ganja in her pussy. You see me? Let me talk straight up. I don't know any link up. Yeah, man. We not disrespect, you know. So we don't know we have Christian people who look on the thing too. You see me? But we just talk the realist thing. So, and everybody will understand the words them to what them come out. But we have to make them understand. See? And that lady don't know people. Seeing them catch her at the airport there over Barbados. Because them say she look kind of suspicious and thing. It's a Jamaican lady. Seeing because she fly from Jamaica go Trinidad. And from Trinidad, she go in a Barbados and go through immigration and thing until them just suspect something and them carry her, them interrogate her, question her and thing, and when them do them search, them find a condom up in her vagina with ganja in there, see me? And then them come to boom and make sure, you know them flush out her system and she pass out 35 package with ganja inside her. See? Them bring her to court, she plead guilty to the thing. Because I don't like some people make. I don't know, so sometimes some things they happen, see? And we say, yo, I like them Caribbean country, they are tell pan we are, see? But a realistic thing, because she plead guilty to the crime, so I don't know the thing. You see me? So, she didn't know, right now, them charge her fee, must say 8,000 US fee, the thing with them fine, but I not see the sentence, you know, she get it and thing. But that's I say still, boy, John, know them thing that, boy, we don't know some people want food for eat still and people want to make it in there. You see me, but John know star. I can't tell a man, alright, I can't preach. Yeah, you say big man thing, talk the truth, you know. Certain things, I not come and diss a man for when though. You see me? When I diss people, that people that kill innocent people, you see me? But John know me I look into the thing, but just say, yo, I feel if you are still cause you don't know maybe she need money and you see me? But it's at this part that she get caught and things still. And, you know, just I tell people you have to be careful, you see me? We don't know we need money, we need it and everything, but we still have to be careful because nowadays they have them all of a computer system, you know. And any little thing you go through, it detect it, you know. Remember I tell you, it detect any little thing, you see it? Any little thing. And sometimes, as my fans and my viewers, I'm telling you something too. You see? In a suitcase, in the way I'll pack on a suitcase 2 years so before on a flight. I beg you to please recheck it here. Because sometimes I know I over trust you know. You see me? Because I'm telling you something according to the traveling thing and everything because the airport thing and so. I have some people who are traveling for the first time and thing. Please, when you recheck on a suitcase or when you put a lock on it, Zine before. When you pack it, when you lock it with a lock. When you know so the lock there, no easy to pick or anything with a code lock or them thing. Nobody don't know the code. You see me? Because yo, to trust, but we just say yo, she get caught and thing one of the Barbados airport and thing. You don't know Barbados thing, but them strict over there and rest of all, you know, Jamaica and everything. But right now, so you know, so you talk kind of the traveling thing for Jamaica, them are doing more deeper search for them now. So, you see me? Don't know the thing about why we just have to say, yo, people, January, better sometimes go and work with honest bread, no? Yeah, man, better go and work with honest bread, man. And, you know what I mean? Go and work with honest bread. You know, so some of my job them tough because we are rent for pay, we are bills to pay, we are picking for send at school. You see me, I say? But, boy, if we can just work here and try push our, find a local work program and go up on our, you get what me I say? Build up a local shop, see them, you just try. You see me? But, God knows, all of we not go rich, you know. All of we not go wealthy. All of we not got money, but we can live. You see me? We can live. And Jamaica is a place where we can live. Because some country in a place in the Caribbean, same way, you know, people. No fruit tree in the day, you see me? You can't go there and go find a banana upon a tree. You can't go find a grapefruit to eat, you know. You can't go find 2 orange. You can't go down there big Mass John, piece of pumpkin, and everything you have to buy. Down to the water where you drink. You see me? And like when you go to Jamaica, you can see a public pipe out there saying go drink some water and catch your hand. You see me? Some country, them not have the river underneath the earth. You get what I say? They don't have the river underneath the earth where they can get water from under the earth, natural spring water. Them have to generate water from the sea and them use chlorine and everything. Them use them thing for kind of make the water more and they still can't drink them. Still have to drink imported water from countries like the States and Canada and them thing there. You see me? If you get natural spring water because them still can't drink the water there because it come from the sea. But what them do is kind of make it where you can wash it, you can bathe with it and thing. You see me? So me are telling the people at Jamaica a paradise the man they have done there and them are waste and mash up the thing, you see me? All me I just say is, yo, and the whole production, man, out there and we just don't know we get the people them topic for every local thing, you see me I say? So they just go and big up on yourself, people, you don't know the thing go. Alright, now me I go check one, local gringo out there, so. Because I'm saying I have a local thing for showcase, give me so. I go bust a link for him. I say, me I say people, speak up on yourself, man, don't know the thing on the whole production there, man. Up and running, you see me? Live life, live good. Attack. Rolling production, so that big up and running up.